Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Monday, March 23rd. I hope everybody had a good weekend out there. Hope you're following the basketball tournaments and that your teams that you picked are doing pretty good. Not into it too much, but I know a lot of people out there are. So let's go over really the only data that came out this morning was existing home sales, which again missed estimates. Supposed to come in at a gain of 1.8%. They came in at a gain of 1.2%. Obviously, the number of homes sold was lower than expected as well. So, Wall Street didn't really react to it. It wasn't a big miss. It was a relatively small miss, but a miss nonetheless. As we've been saying, the economy is just so weak that it's not good, and this is just another data point confirming our belief. Anyway, let's get to the trades. Rough day. We had two trades. Well, wasn't that rough a day? We had two trades. Two trades. We lost 19 pips. We had size adjusted 19 pips. Not size adjusted, we were looking at a loss of 94.8 pips. One of the trades we closed out Friday afternoon, which was the first trade you're going to see here. And then the second trade we held all weekend. Looked like it was coming back for us last night. While we were not in the office, it got close to breaking even. But you'll see we were never positive on the trade the entire time. But those things happen. Both trades were size adjusted for 20% of our normal size. First one you're looking at here is a euro to the Australian dollar. We were short 1.39558. Initially went against this by about 45 pips or so, and then reversed. And as it came close to the figure, we covered half at 1.39087 for 47.1 pips, or adjusted for size 9.4. We wanted to see what the second half would do. It took out the figure. It came all the way down into the 80s and then started to bounce. So we covered at 1.38919, picking up 63.9 pips, or size adjusted 12.8, basically for a total of 11.1, 11.2 pips, like that. If we would have held it over the weekend, you would have seen what it done, and then this overnight it would have came in, or I should say last night it would have came in pretty hard. But we didn't. Our target was down here, which had hit our target. So if you held it, it was a good hold. Overall, it was just a really good trade. This was the one we were never profitable in this thing. We were long U.S. dollar to the Swiss franc, 0.98133. Looked like it was going to try to hold this area, which it tried to do mostly on Friday. For the most part, it was holding it. And then it started to bounce back last night while we were watching. And then again, as we shut computers off overnight, you can see here it came almost to breaking even. Not quite breaking even. We were real close. We didn't know that, obviously, because we weren't watching at that time. But, we didn't have any orders in there to push on the trade or anything like that. So not too upset about that. And then wake up this morning and it had come in already. It was coming down here. And then once it took this level out, it just ran down on us and stopped us out. So for a loss of 150.3 pips, or adjusted for size 30.1, again, completely in the realm of what we're willing to risk. One of the problems in the past week or so has been no really good setups for scalps. Just pure scalps. So you're relying on the swing / scalp trades. Unfortunately, our strategy, we encompass both. And the scalps have just not been there. None last week, and so far none yet today. But that could change tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. Could change on a dime. You don't know. So anyway, so we'll wrap it up. Like I said, two trades, loss of a 19.0 pips, size adjusted. So we'll take we'll live with it and we'll move on. It's not that bad of a day. So let's see if any signals come out this afternoon. They'll be coming your way. If we do any more trading tonight or tomorrow morning, we'll do another video tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.